ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving scene reviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure,
Fell like twice and you're still working. I mean, the cover came off, but I'm nervous because I invested so much into this camera. I'm very disappointed in myself for allowing it to drop twice. So I'm gonna get a cover for this as soon as I get back to the States, like non-negotiable. But anyways, tonight was fun. Yeah, a whole lot of fun. I am hungry. I actually really want something like nice to eat. If it's not fried chicken, I want food from Bridgefoot. But I want a couple hot dog, couples, I don't know, burger, taco, something. I want something nice to eat before I go sleep. So I'm hoping that the girls are on the same page, or hopefully the lady they out by Buccaneers, but it rain. So I don't know how that happened. Either way, I do have food at home. I just never want a rice and beans. Like, it was alright, but never nice like my bonus man, my rice and beans. Shout out to Alba. Yo, Mrs. Flowers. That rice and beans been nice. So yeah, right now I'm like, I really want something nice. And I vex that I never get more rice and beans from her house, because I have rice and beans from somebody else and it's not as nice. Anyways, I am patiently waiting on these girls to come in, and it looks like they're finally coming. They're walking in the rain. Like, this is what we're dealing with right now, guys. Yeah, we come party, and they're there. You can't see them. Maybe you can. Maybe you can't. But they're there. Anyways, hopefully they they want to go get food, because, like I said, I'm hungry, so hopefully they're on the same boat. They're in the same boat. It is Sunday, and of course, last minute, they wanted me to do some oxtails, but knowing how to oxtail for make I cook. So now I'm literally on the hunt for oxtails. I don't think I'm gonna find it. I've already gone to 2 different meat shops. One was closed, one just didn't have oxtails, and then now I'm kind of resorting to ribs and jerk wings. So that's kind of what it's looking like, but we about to see when I get in the store. I just hope y'all know, like, me not like doing a last minute thing. When me have something in my head, I plan accordingly. So the fact that now I'm on the hunt for oxtails and ribs. So I'm gonna find a rack of ribs at the previous meat shop, right? But it was huge for the amount of ribs that I was looking for. On 4 frozen rack. That never may work. Yeah, that never may work. So now I am. Let me grab this. Yeah, so now I'm going from store to store looking for a smaller racks of ribs because I don't have 2 days to thaw a big slab like that. That's a big boy. I'm just praying that they have something smaller. Ain't nothing new.
Some pretty flowers and
Hey.
the to run.
You know what I mean? Think about today? We need to start planning for we Jamaica trip.
Yeah.
My arch nemesis of a school.
Alright.
How are they starting the outcomes? Anyway, life, if you never did kind of school.
I said my arch nemesis of a school.
Oh.
Because I went to the best one. Thank you. I don't know, like you were father, I had to catch you at Bridgefoot.
Hey, I hate that car. And I used to be traumatized because my heart started to beat fast because when I come over the bridge, I peep and see if I could see head at the gate. I used to hit every day almost. And when I see head at the gate, like I start to, like I want to cry, like my hands start to sweat. And I plan my lie and I don't know lie for tell I'm not a lie. Then there used to be a confession booth too. When you go in here, forgive me Father for saying you have so much confession. I say no, I have none. So you say you have to have a confession. I say, I don't have none. He say, what? I say lie. He say, well, I say nothing else. He say, Georgia, what else? Like you tell me,
I know I can't stand. I'm gonna stand that too.
So I said thief. Okay, you want to say thief? Thief.
So I think about things to say. I had a life of my own sins.
Man, like I used to force.
Yes.
Like, oh my
I don't understand
God.
that either. And as kids, we don't know no better, so I need to teach them a better way at teaching kids. You know what I mean?
Man.
Auntie Georgia died, but the Chinese. The baby, watch out. A craving and in business for the drink. Watch out. Tell them open it. It open. Oh. Yeah, me. It open. I want to catch them when they come. Make people know that they're not alcoholic. Big alky, big alky, big alky, big alky, big
one I buy for
alcoholic.
you.
The only one, go. Yeah, only one.
Cheers to the Christmas season. Christmas!
Only one you buy for me. You can't help yourself. This is the look. This is it. This is what we doing.
To come to my birthday, eatery and drinkery that they happen here at Midtown. I appreciate each and every one of them for show up. I barely get home during my birthday, but when I get home, I definitely feel love for each and every person, even at this table. On a can't tolerate my drunkenness during the week sometimes, and I appreciate them very much. Love on her, love on her, love on her very much.
Love you. Cheers. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! That was very strong. One time for the birthday, bitch. One time for the birthday. Somebody else finish up?
I love that they salted the lime.